even in the remotest corners of Russia, where nature tests man's endurance, where towns are separated by vast empty spaces, where people's lives depend on their vehicles, it is always possible to find vehicles manufactured by UralSpecTrans. UralSpecTrans is the name of a new state-of-the-art engineering plant which manufactures reliable vehicles for operating in harsh conditions. We produce unique products for the oil and gas, forestry, construction, energy, and municipal services sectors. Founded in the year 2000, UralSpecTrans started off as a dealer for the major manufacturers of freight and other specialist vehicles. Gradually, over a long period of time, the company's leadership developed partnerships with manufacturers. We were able to consolidate a strong position in a relatively competitive market and establish ourselves as a reliable link between the manufacturer and the end user of the vehicles. Subsequently, this experience became the foundation for the development, manufacture, and expansion of our own production. The company's production site is located on the eastern slope of the South Urals, at the foot of the Ilmensky Mountains, in the town of KamAZ, not far from Lake Turgoyak. This uniquely beautiful location near protected forests and mountain lakes enables the company's employees to lead healthy lifestyles and maintain a positive outlook on life while developing their capacity to work effectively. In a short time, and having started construction from scratch, we completed a large-scale project, the development of our own plant to manufacture state-of-the-art and reliable specialist vehicles for use in harsh environments. Today, UralSpecTrans is a major engineering complex with a complete production cycle from raw materials to the finished product. The plant's production facilities are designed to allow a wide range of products to be manufactured and include high-tech modern equipment. Most processes are automated, reducing the impact of human factors and ensuring high precision, speed, and quality of operation at all production stages. Everything manufactured here is painted in a special paint spraying booth using modern enamels, and all painting and drying process technologies are closely monitored. Technical quality control of the finished items is also an extremely important and integral stage of production. Each unit goes through a compulsory testing stage. All of our staff are highly qualified and undergo a strict selection process before being employed by the company. In turn, the management creates comfortable and safe working conditions for employees at all levels, provides training and continuous professional development, in the understanding that the company's success and performance is largely based on the effectiveness of each employee. In order to increase production volumes, expand the product range, and achieve new production targets, the company regularly invests additional resources in acquiring new equipment. Significant emphasis is placed on product development. We try to create our own unique products, which offer advantages compared with those of other manufacturers of specialist equipment. The brains behind the company are in the high-powered creative design department, which employs more than 20 specialists. Before developing new types of products, an in-depth analysis is carried out on the level of product already achieved, and subsequent proposals to optimize designs and the individual elements of designs. Feedback from end users plays a large part in this and is used for follow-up evaluation by the company specialists for the equipment when directly in operation. The main emphasis in design is on developing improvements for vehicles to allow them to be used in regions with a harsh climate and poor road conditions. UralSpecTrans is the official partner for the URAL, KamAZ, and IVECO plants. The company also produces special additional structures which can be attached to the chassis of vehicles made by other manufacturers. Materials and components from leading companies are used in the production process. The long-term collaboration with these companies ensures continuity of stock supplies, enabling us to fulfill any order in an extremely short timescale. Long experience in this complex and volatile market has helped our specialists to take on board all the wishes, requirements, and preferences of the most demanding clients. As a company, UralSpecTrans is not only developing rapidly and focusing on production output, we also put the interests of the client first. Our regular clients include such well-known companies as Gazprom, Rosneft, Alrosa, Spectstroj Rasi, Transneft, Lukoil, and Bashneft. UralSpecTrans takes into account not only the interests of large companies, but also those of small and medium-sized businesses, understanding the reality of the economic situation in different parts of the country. The company has many years' experience of transactions involving leasing companies and lending institutions, which in turn extend contract terms for acquiring vehicles and increase the sales market. The company has developed various schemes for modernizing a client's vehicle fleet while minimizing expenditure on vehicle upgrades. In addition to manufacturing its own vehicles, the company supplies vehicles from other leading Russian manufacturers, acting as a dealer for the giants of the Russian automotive industry, offering vehicle servicing and supplying certified spare parts. The company always holds more than 300 units of different types of vehicles in stock. We are ready to dispatch the specialist vehicle requested by the client on the same day that we receive the order. UralSpecTrans products are used across the country, as well as in neighboring countries, and at the request of the client, our specialists can arrange for the vehicles to be driven to them or transported by rail, taking full responsibility for ensuring that the vehicle arrives undamaged. During transportation, there is constant contact to coordinate and monitor progress on the route. Business like logistics, good management and marketing, well-qualified staff, state-of-the-art technology and equipment, quality control at all stages of production, after-sales service and maintenance, and an individual approach to each client. All this means that orders of any level of complexity can be delivered in the shortest possible timescales and makes the company one of the leading players in the market for supplying specialist vehicles in Russia and in neighboring countries. UralSpecTrans, reliable vehicles for harsh conditions.